Hey guys, Drew Mead here from MarineMax. I am standing on a brand new Sylvan G-5 SLZ layout. I'm back here on the extended swim platform. I'm going to just start pointing out some of the coolest stuff that I see about the boat. You guys will have to come in person to see some of these things yourself. But starting on the back, I love the fact that Sylvan is doing this lily pad ladder. If you've watched any of our videos before, you will know that I quite enjoy this feature. However, you've got this little safety strap here which keeps it from falling down when you're underway, but as you deploy this thing, it's like having a big staircase off the back of the boat. The days of having to climb up that little telescoping ladder are over. This is just so comfortable and so easy, and if the boat's pitching, this thing actually has a torsion band built into it, so the staircase gives a little bit with the waves. So no worries, super easy to get in and out of on the boat, and very easy to stow. Once you're up, you just click that in place, click that in place, and you're off and running. As I step off of the extended stern platform here, you'll see that I do have a gate back here. This is an awesome feature from Sylvan, not only for safety, right? It does a couple other things. This will allow you to ride on these rear seats. If you look over here on the port side, I've got this side set up in the rear-facing sun lounging position. Just know that this backrest will hinge up in place. If we move over to the starboard side, you'll see what that side looks like. So these are mirror images of each other. So this is the part that hinges back and forth. So you can have two rear-facing sun loungers, or you can set them up to make little couches or like a little dinette love seat area back here on the back. Guys, this SLZ is just super convertible, right? Like it's like having three different floor plans in one. So it's kind of takes all the options and puts them all on the table. So back here, there's some little nooks and crannies you might not be able to see. There's a cell phone charger port back there, lighted cup holders. The boat's got lights throughout the entire boat. It looks awesome at night. I have the table set up right now. This is removable, so if you got a bunch of people on the boat and you want a clear walkway, you can just take this out. But if you want to have dinner, drinks, cocktails, watch the sunset, this is an awesome little spot to arrange yourselves. You can twist it any way you like. Cup holders everywhere. So underneath every single one of these seats is going to be storage. So everything has a really nice hinge. Sylvan does a great job with that, so your seats aren't going to blow away, and it's very easy to throw your stuff underneath the seats. Every single seat hinges, opens, you have storage. Some of the seats, like this one, have the roto-molded plastic liner, so that would be a great place for electronics, purses, towels, anything you don't want water to get on. You've got a nice large storage cavity for that, so it's just an awesome feature from Sylvan. Right here at the helm station, this is a raised platform helm. Oftentimes with pontoon boats, it's a little bit difficult to see over the bow. Sylvan has attacked that problem by raising the helm platform. So this is a gel coat and fiberglass piece here. You can see the nice sea decking that has G Series Platinum. This is part of Sylvan's new Platinum package, which is really cool. This is the only one that I've seen come out like this with the cool to the touch blue interior. I think it is very amazing. This has the upgraded electric bimini top. See this large reinforced bracket here makes this bimini top super secure, super sturdy. Man, from the days of the early electric bimini tops, the forward leading support system has always needed help, and Sylvan has finally answered that with this really beefy, stiff forward support arm. So right here at the helm, I've got Mercury's digital throttle and shift. This is controlling our V10 Mercury 350 horsepower engine. And this thing does not suffer for power. It has plenty of horsepower. This digital throttle and shifter has a push start button. The boat is equipped with active trim, so you don't have to worry about where the trim is. The engine will do it for you. You can really just enjoy your day on the water. You don't have to constantly be paying attention. This thing really makes driving the boat super easy. It is very comfortable to be behind this windshield. This is a tinted glass, tailor-made windshield. It is the perfect size to deflect wind right over the driver's head. So you might think with this raised helm platform that you're going to be sticking up too high, but the windshield from Sylvan here makes a really nice, comfortable ride. You do have an adjustable captain's chair, adjustable helm. This is a wireless phone charging cubby, so you can just toss your phone in there and it will start charging automatically. The Simrad multifunction display, I've got it set up right now on chart mode, which is pretty much how you'll operate the boat. You can have any data you want to right there off to the side. The boat is equipped with digital switching. So Sylvan has interfaced with the Simrad, and you can control lights, honk the horn, you can raise the tower up and down. It's just awesome. Everything you need is right here in the driver's field of view. They did give us some redundant analog buttons here. Well, I say analog, push buttons, but they are digital as well. And off to the right here is the head unit made by Wet Sounds. Guys, the stereo in this boat absolutely sounds great. The way the speakers reverberate through the interior, it just has a ton of bass and a very clear sound. Even when I have this boat almost up to 50 miles an hour, I could still hear the stereo perfectly. So kind of one of those things, you gotta come see it and experience it for yourself. Let's move up to the bow. We'll check out this super large forward seating area. So tons of room up here. I can sit there and stretch out. I could lay down completely right there and treat it like a sunbed. They do have these fold up and down armrests, which is super nice, and a very large boarding gate. This is another thing that is really nice. My mother happens to be in a wheelchair, and getting her in and off this boat is very easy to do with this wide access boarding gate. So you can close it off. Probably hard to see it in the video. However, this boat is very unique looking on the outside. It has the fiberglass fencing instead of that traditional aluminum metal sheet siding. This thing is very stunning to look at. The color combinations on this boat are excellent. Guys, I encourage you to come see it with me in person. I feel like there's more I want to tell you about, so instead I'll just invite you out to Baldridge Marina on Lake Lanier. My name is Drew Mead with MarineMax. I'd love to show you this boat. Come see us on the lake.